Good morning, my dear students and my dear friends. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And today we are going to start our new topic, that is the types of faces and ages. Okay, my dear students, today we will understand about the types of ages and faces. Okay, so basically faces और ages के two types है, तो हम लोग उसको देखते हैं. Okay, everyone. So first of all, we will understand about the faces. In the previous video, we have already learned about the face. What is meant by face? A surface of the object or the surface of the object is called as its face. Okay. So there are two types of faces. First one is the flat surface, that is also called as plane surface, है ना? Plane surface मतलब कैसे? Look this duster. As you can see, this is a smooth surface. It is a flat surface. एकदम plain surface है ना, एकदम plain है ना. That is called as plane face. Okay. वो कैसा face है? That is a plain face. Okay. Now the second one is the curve face. Now what is meant by curve face? सबसे पहले हम लोग curve के बारे में समझेंगे. Look everyone here. This is a line which is a straight line. कैसी line है ये? एकदम सीधी है, straight line है. Okay. So that is a straight line. Now here, let's suppose that this is another way. अब ये कैसी है? It is a straight line? No, it is a curve line. ये कैसी line है? Curve है, ऐसी लहरा रही है. That is called as curve line. It is a straight line. So first of all, we will understand about the straight, which is a flat surface, which is the plane surface, and curve, जो सीधा नहीं है. There is a curve face. और एक दूसरा कैसा होता है? Curve face होता है. ठीक है? So as you can see, it is a cube. Okay, ये जो आप देख रहे हो, that is a cube. And cube have a flat surface. Cube में कैसा होता है? Flat surface होता है, एकदम smooth होता है. ठीक है? That is the flat surface, or you can say that flat oblique, that means or a plane face. कैसा face है ये? एकदम plane face है. ठीक है? But in this disc, इसमें कैसा है? There is a two types of faces. Okay, इस disc में दो तरह के faces है. Let's understand about the faces of the disc. I have a one striker here. हम लोग जो कैरम खेलते हैं ना, उसमें स्ट्राइकर होता है. I have that. Okay. अब एक स्ट्राइकर में क्या चीज है? I have the two plane surface. देखिए, this is a one plane surface. ये वाला जो है ये plane surface है. Give me a 1 minute. Let me focus on it. Okay, everyone. So as you can see here, this is a first plane surface. This is a second plane surface. But there is another surface which is curve. कैसा है ये कर्व? ऐसा एकदम सीधा है क्या? नहीं. It is a curve surface. So that is a curve surface. That means it is a curve face है. ठीक है? ये क्या है? Curve face है. Then there is the edges. Again we will understand about the edges. So what is meant by edges? Let's understand about the edges. Okay. Again there are two types of edges. The first one is the straight edge. Second one is the curve edge. ठीक है? Straight edge मतलब edges which are in a straight line. ठीक है? Just like this. Straight edge है, straight edge है. It is also straight edge, straight edge. I already told you that what is meant by edge? When the two surfaces meet, form an edge. जब दो surface मिल जाते हैं, तब जाके edge form होता है. ठीक है? So this is an edge, which is a straight line. Yes, my dear student, this is the straight line, and this is straight edge. ये कैसा है? Straight edge है. But in the form of disc, disc में कैसा है? Disc में तीन surface है. कितने surfaces है? 3. First is the plane surface. ये वाला plane है. उसके पीछे वाला भी plane है. But this is the curve surface. Okay. So there is a joint. ऊपर वाला plane surface और नीचे वाला भी एक surface है. These are the two surfaces. Okay. This is a flat surface. ऊपर वाला एकदम plane है, नीचे वाला भी एकदम प्लेन है. बट दिस सरफेस, विच सरफेस? दिस वन. दिस सरफेस इज अ कर्व सरफेस, कर्व प्लेन. ओके. When this curved plane and the flat plane, that is that is plane surface or plane face are joined, you are getting the edge which is curve edge. ये कैसा जॉइंट है यहाँ पर? इट इज अ कर्व एज. कैसा है? कर्व एज है. ठीक है. लेट मी शो यू वन टाइम अगेन व्हाट इज मीन बाय कर्व एज. एज यू कैन सी हियर, ये जो लाइन दिख रहे हो आप, ये वाली लाइन, दिस इज अ कर्व एज. इट इज नॉट एन स्ट्रेट लाइन. दिस फेस इज कर्व फेस, दिस एज इज कर्व एज, एंड इट इज प्लेन फेस जो कि टॉप पे है, लाइक दिस इज अ डिस्क, दिस इज प्लेन, दिस इज प्लेन, बट दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज अ कर्व. क्या है? कर्व है. सो दिस एज, विच एज? गिव मी 1 minute. आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन इट. ओके, लुक हियर एवरीवन. हाँ, ओके. So as you can see here, this edge, which one edge? The joint of this curve face and the plane surface is ये वाली line. ये जो line है ना, ये किनारी, that is called as curve edge. कैसा edge है ये वाला? This edge is curve edge. Okay, again there is a curve edge. ऊपर में और एक edge है ना, that is a curve edge. Understood? Okay. Now let's move towards the topic. So dear students, there are two types of faces. The first face is plane face and the curve face. So there is a curve face like a striker, and again if you have a chalk. Chalk में कैसे है? One is a first place. The first face is plane face. It is also plain. But this is a curve face. Okay, curve है, सीधा सीधा नहीं है. So that is a curve face. Understood? And there is a flat surface which is called as plane face, and it is a curve face. Similarly, there are two types of edges. First is the straight edge and the second is curve edge. तो आपका ये वाला जो edge है, that is a straight edge. But it is straight? No. It is a curve edge. कैसा edge है ये? Curve edge है. ठीक है? Just like a striker, it is a curve edge. I hope you understand the types of faces and edges. Okay, dear students, please note down in your maths notebook. Then we will proceed towards the cuboid, cube, cylinder and cone. Okay, everyone, so now let's move towards the cube and cuboid. Okay, dear students, so now let's give the heading cube and cuboid, and today we will understand about the cube and cuboid in details. Okay, अब हम लोग चलेंगे cube की तरफ. So I already told you that the cube is made up of, listen dear students, the cube is made up of squares. ठीक है? Cube क्या है? Square से मिलके बनता है. So how can we draw a cube? Let's draw a one square. Then we will draw another square like this. पहले ऐसे squares बना लो. ठीक है? This is the squares. Now we will join these two lines, these two lines, these 2 points and these two. Okay, this point and this point we will join. We will join these 2 points. Again we will join, ये कोने को इस कोने से मिला देंगे और ये कोने को ये कोने से. ठीक है? So this is a cube. The cube is made up of squares, 6 squares. Okay, just like a dice. आपके घर में dice होगा ना, dice. We are playing a ludo. The dice is made up of 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 faces are there. Okay, and the cuboid is form of rectangle, my dear. Cuboid is in the form of rectangle. So first of all we will draw one rectangle, then the another rectangle. Again we will join these two things. Let's join it. Simple. Okay, so this is a cuboid. This is cube and that is the cuboid. Okay, the cube is made up of 6 squares and the cuboid is made up of 6 rectangles. Okay, so there are 6 faces. The cube have 6 faces. 6 faces. 1, ये सामने वाला 2, साइड वाला 3, ऊपर वाला 4, नीचे वाला 5, पीछे वाला 6. Okay, that means 6 faces are there. A one cube have 6 faces. Okay, the one cube has 6 faces. Then how many edges are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the 12. Okay, so there is a 12 edges. 12 edges. And how many vertices? That means how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It has there 8 corners. Okay, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. If you want to understand in details, please watch out the previous video also. Okay, now we will move towards the cuboid. Cuboid also have 6 faces. Listen, dear students, it is looking like a cuboid. Wait a minute, I am taking another one. Another duster, and this duster has 6 faces. This is an example of cuboid. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 4 faces. 6 and these 7. So this cuboid also have 6 faces. Okay. Then we will understand about the edges. So how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Again 12 edges are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so there are 12 edges, and similarly the corners 1, 2, 3, 4, upper side के 4 और नीचे side के 4. It is 8. There is 8 corners. Okay, there are 8 corners. So this is a cuboid. It is made by 6 rectangles. Okay, this is made by 6 rectangles, but the cube is made by 6 squares. It is made up of 6 squares, and it is made up of 6 rectangles. This is the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So this is a corner. So this is a faces. It is face. This is what? This is a straight line. This is straight line is the edge. It is edge, and this is a corner. Okay. Similarly here, this is a face. This is edge, and this is a corner. Or you can say that it is vertex. Corner को vertex भी बोलते हैं. Okay. These all examples are available on page number 111. Okay, my dear students, please note down in your maths notebook quickly. And you can take a help of your mother or father to make a diagram. Okay. आप अपने पेरेंट्स की मदद लेकर के डायग्राम बना सकते हो. Then you have to do a practice. फिर प्रैक्टिस के बाद आ जाएगा. Okay. Okay. Okay, my dear students, आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. After that we will understand about the cylinder, cone and sphere. ठीक है, इसके बाद हम लोग सिलेंडर, कोन और स्फीयर के बारे में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. बाय.